Welcome everyone to the AI Tools Campus. And here's how we create our AI agents. So a basic workflow. Let's start with a chat trigger. Just type in chat trigger, click on chat trigger. In the chat, we be able to speak with our AI agent. Let's add the AI agent node. I'll just type in AI agent and click. So we get our chat trigger connected to the AI agent. It's configured automatically. And down below, we got our system message where we give instructions to the AI agents. That is for future workflows. But for now, we just add our OpenAI, go to the credentials section and click. And down below, click on create new credentials. We need API key, organization ID, which is optional. Let's go to the OpenAI API platform. I just type in OpenAI API, click on the API platform. On the right, click on Login, API platform. You just connect your Gmail. It's easy step. But for now, let's go to the search section, type in API keys. On the right again, click on create your secret key, which is the API key, of course. Let's just give it a name. You can name it whatever you want. Let's select our project. We'll go through it later. Click on create. All right, here we have our API key. Just copy and paste it somewhere safe. But for now, let's just go to our back to our init, paste it here, and click save. All right, we got our OpenAI credentials set. We'll just go back to see how I've created the project. On the left, look for, all right, here I got the option to select a project which I have created before. I'll just show you how I did it. So on the left, click on project. On the right again, click on create, give it a name as usual. Just name it whatever you want, something you'll remember, whatever. Create, and I got the project created. It's easy. Let's go back to the API key so you can see our newly created project. As you can see, it's created successfully. All right, we got our AI agent set. Let's try to chat with the AI agents. So I'll just click down below. I'll type in hello. And as you can see, the AI agents answered successfully. I'll just clear the chats, then hello again, type in a random question to see if our AI agent is hallucinated or not. As you can see, the answer is true, and we got our AI successfully created. And see you next time.